beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video, y'all, I am reviewing, installing this cute unit right here, which I thought I was going to dislike, but she came correct. Okay, I really like this unit. So in today's video, I'm reviewing the Bobbi MLF474 CYNTHIA unit in the color 2. Before we jump into today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified each time I upload. Follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Burned my forehead with my hot comb. Ow! Look, come on through. Bobbi Boss came through with a banger this time. Okay, so jumping into the rating of today's unit, I'm giving her a 9.5 out of 10. This unit is super duper cute, y'all. So let me jump into the stock card info first so you guys can know just like what type of key features this unit does come with. So it has a 13x7 deep lace space. Natural baby hairs are included. Free parting as well, so you can have that middle part, side part, you know, whatever you want to do. It also has extra wide, double lined, powder blend effect hand tie faux scalp right underneath. It also has pre-plucked natural hairline, so you can get your wig looking as natural as you would like to. They also have this MediFresh safe and clean cap feature here that protects from UV lights, antibacterial, and it has great ventilation all included into this cap. This is their HD Ultra Scalp Illusion lace front wig, and like I said, I have her in the color 2 and it's in the style Cynthia. So my first thoughts, like when I looked at the pictures of the unit, I was like, it looks like it really has potential to be cute. I just was looking at this bang area and I get really fearful when I see short bangs. Like, I don't want to see a big flipped short bang, you get what I'm saying? But this one like hit that mark like right at the cutoff. Had this been any shorter, I probably would not have liked these bangs. The texture of this hair is really nice. It's not yucky texture, guys, but it's like that semi-yucky, not too shiny, not too silky. It's like that perfect in between. It also has beautiful, bouncy, voluminous curls. The density of this unit is amazing. On top of that, we got some versatility. We can do the middle part, side part. I'm sticking with my middle part right now because I am going to wear this unit, so I want to keep it styled how I got it going right now. I did not add any baby hairs, but it does come with the baby hairs. I can see them very well. I blended them down with my little edge tamer just to make sure that it would stay down and not be all in my way, but you can add the baby hairs if you would like. Also, another pro, I have this unit installed completely glueless right now. No spray, no gel, no hair glue, no nothing. Like, I could literally pick her up, sit her right back down, and she's good to go. Like, that is what I love. I love the fact that I didn't have to do anything extra to wear this unit. So I did add some heat to it as well. I used my hot comb, you guys, once I started parting it, because I do like my roots to be a little bit more flatter. It makes it look more natural. It makes it look more wearable for sure. Lengthwise, I think she's probably sitting at about like a good 20-22 with the curls. Stretched out probably will be a little bit longer, maybe around 22-24, but y'all, this unit is popping. I have no cons about it at all. No shedding, no tangling. I'm sure over time, if you were to wear this unit a while, it probably will tend to get a little bit sheddy, a little bit tangly, you know how that happens. And also, once I put the unit on, I did comb all the curls out. The curls come a little bit tight, so I combed them out. You can comb them out even more. You can finger comb them, whatever your preference. But yeah, y'all, I really like this unit. You should definitely try this one out if you're interested in it. I'll have all the information in my description bar below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.